Today we're gonna make a drink. It's kind of a green berry drink. It's got green tea in it, which is a fantastic source of antioxidants, and it's also, of course, energizing because there's a little bit of caffeine in there. It's also going to have black elderberry syrup, another fantastic source of antioxidants, but then also traditionally used for immune system support. And then we also are going to use some Sweetish bitters in this formulation, which I love bitters because bitters help support lots of systems in the body, but the one that we usually think of is supporting healthy digestion. And the bitters just give it this really nice, well-rounded flavor profile. So you've got that really nice kind of earthy, slightly bitter green tea flavor. You've got the sweetness from the black elderberry, and then you're also going to have some of this really very nuanced flavor profile from the Sweetish bitters because they are bitter, but there's a lot more going on than just that. So let's mix this together. I'll show you how easy it is to do. Basically, brew yourself a cup of green tea the way that it says to do it on the package. Just pick a kind of green tea that you like and just brew it up, leave it on the counter to cool off then. So I've got that here, just a cup of green tea that I made, and I'm pouring this into what I'm going to use as a cocktail shaker. It's just a wide mouth jar. So super easy. I've already got some ice that's in here. So I've poured that in, and now I'm going to pour in 1 teaspoon of black elderberry syrup. So I'm pouring this right on top of my ice cubes and my green tea. And I'm going to screw on my lid and then just give this a really nice shake to make sure everything's nice and cold. Okay, so we just shake this up. You can see it's already this beautiful purple color, which is super nice. Okay, I can feel it in my hand. It's getting really cold. Take that out. And I'm just gonna pour the liquid by itself, no ice, into my glass. Okay, it's got this lovely purple color you can see, but it's the base in there is that green tea. Then I've got my Sweetish bitters here, and I'm looking for, 10, 15, maybe 20 drops depending. You can stir it along the way and give it a little taste, see what you like. This is bright yellow because it's got turmeric in it. So just a very nice flavor profile, very interesting, very herbaceous kind of bitters here. So I'm just gonna give this a nice stir. Okay, and then I'm gonna garnish this with a citrus wedge or a citrus wheel here. And now I've just got this really beautiful antioxidant-rich green berry cooler. Tastes really good. It's refreshing. It has just kind of a very interesting flavor profile. Lots of antioxidants, immune support from that black elderberry, and then that really nuanced kind of beautiful background flavor profile from the 10 to 20 drops of Sweetish bitters that I added. So try this out. This is something fun and new and just a really lovely way to support a few different body systems all at the same time. Thanks so much.